What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and guys, I am super excited today because I'm about to head to the drag strip in a little bit. And guys, today is supposed to be like a test and tune day at the drag strip, but there's gonna be a bunch of sick Nissan GTRs that the motor is fully built, and they're gonna have some big turbos on the GTR. So I'm super excited to see some GTRs run 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds, guys. And I also think the fastest GTR in the world is going to be there. I believe the fastest GTR in the world just ran like a 237 miles per hour. So that is insane, guys. So I'm super excited to go to the drag strip and share this experience with you guys. Also, guys, I have like a little mod for the Nissan GTR that I think you guys are gonna like. That's going to add a little touch to the car that's gonna make the car stand out a little bit more. So guys, let's jump right into installing that new mod for the GTR. All right, guys, so this is the new license plate frame. Carbon fiber, it looks beautiful. It says GTR. Definitely had to change out the license plate frame and get something a little bit better that stands out more, that matches the car a bit more. So this is how it looks. When that sun hits it, it looks really dope. You can see the carbon fiber reflection. They did a good job with this license plate frame. Looks good. What's going on, guys? We just made it down to Maryland International Raceway at Race Motive, and today we're gonna have some road racing, some high horsepower cars. It's gonna be 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,200 horsepower cars, and then I see some GTRs and some Lambos back there. Let's see. Got some Sharp Houston, some of the GTRs at. Look at this full carbon with some B-locks. Crazy. Even the seats are carbon, the seats in the back are carbon. How do I use this fucking cup holder back there? You got a nitrous bottle back there, one here. The whole thing is carbon. It's crazy.
No, it's really funny.
Wow. This looks crazy. Another GTR here. Looks dope. You got the wing. I know this one actually moves. Loose Logic exhaust. Same thing on this one. Completely different.
Want to watch?
Yeah. The green G80. I got GT500. You were saying what? They got.
They got the red color or something.
Yeah, and they're doing road racing. Oh, GTR just went. GT500.
I want one of these things. Some of them are the
is GT500. They got an Evo over here. And the ball is out here. Got a Cadillac over there too. Looks good, man. That purple's beautiful. Crazy. Oh yeah, this is twin turbo for sure. Oh, that's all motor. G80. Got a entry intakes. PWR. Same company that I have. My Type R. Yep. Nice. Never seen it in this color green or yellow. They got an NSX over here too. NSX, sick. Like these wheels. Kind of look fully like chrome polish. Look to them. Still. Carbon roof as well. Looks nice. Got them with ease. Huracan right here. CFI twin turbo kit. See the turbos down there in orange. Yeah, that tin is dark. It's good. That car is moving. That thing is loud. That's a pretty good turnout. Z06. Now gonna supercharge. Seems like everybody's running R888s. Yeah, ZL1 Camaro. Some Michelin. Sport Forza, man. Got a 5.0 with a VMP supercharger. NT 555s. Got a section over here of Porsches. And then when I was coming over here, I was like, what is this? Look at this, guys. This is the fastest GTR. This is the one that made 3,000 horsepower and beat that underground racing Huracan. That's crazy. Look how big this turbo is. That's insane. Wow. Look at that. That's insane. Ricky Bobby. The turbos are back here. You can see how gigantic. Even the freaking piping is like this big. How much air is going on here? Insane. Wow. He also got the crown. So he has the little crown back there, as you guys can see.
There's fire extinguishers here. The white ones. The white ones.
Oh, okay.
There's fire extinguisher just in case. Yeah, fire.
Yeah. Got the fuel cell. We got the electronic wing. Parachute.
So they got a metal over there.
Yep.
That will over in the corner.
Yep.
Damn.
You see. There you go. You can see the crown better. Wow. That's crazy. 3,000 horsepower. Wow. Started it up. Wow, guys, I cannot believe the world fastest GTR did 226 miles per hour. Guys, after I turned the video off and I looked a little bit closer, I was like, no freaking way. I thought it was 206 miles per hour. No, it was 226 miles per hour. I was like, no freaking way. But let's start from the beginning. Yo, when the GTR finally pulled up from the back and did the little burnout, and you heard he revved the RPMs up, and then you heard the pop, 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 the two-step, and it sounded like gunshots going off, and then you saw him smoke the tires out, and you heard those turbos, two turbos whistling super loud, like it's a freaking airplane, like turbines on an airplane is whistling. Yo, that car sounds insane. It's super freaking loud. You can hear every single thing. The car revving, the pops and bangs, the gunshots going off from the two-step. You can hear the turbos perfectly, both of them, just choo like a freaking airplane. I can't do, guys. I'm shocked. I'm super surprised of the potential the Nissan GTR has, and especially recently, this car just ran the fastest time for a road racing, which is 237 miles per hour. And I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, and it just warp speed right past the Lamborghini in the beginning. That is freaking insane, guys. And I can't believe I have this car. I cannot believe I have a Nissan Gtr. That is my dream car, guys. Guys, I always love the sound of the car. It sounds like a freaking monster, especially you hearing those turbos whistling as well. That's one thing I love about the car, is the sound alone. But how fast the car is, like the car stock can run 10 seconds. Like, that's freaking insane. And then you can make the car faster than that, and then it can run 9 seconds with like full bolt-ons, and then even faster than that, 8-7 seconds in freaking insane. I can't imagine what it runs from a stop to the quarter mile to see. Oh, it probably runs like freaking sevens. It's freaking insane. I still can't believe to this day I have a Nissan Gtr. I always wanted to get one of these cars. I love the sound of them. The potential that this car has is freaking amazing. This car, for the price, of course it's expensive, but compared to like a Lamborghini that's like 250,000 and up, this car with a little bit of money into it, this car can gap everything on the road, beat everything. This car can destroy everything on the road. It's freaking insane, guys. But if you guys like this video, smash the button. If you guys love the videos, definitely subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. But guys, I have some surprises coming to the channel. This is probably the biggest thing that I've ever happened for me on this channel. You guys are gonna see very soon. So if you guys love the content for the GTR, stay tuned, because I got a lot of surprises on the way. I'm super excited to share with you guys. But that's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drive you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.